Hi all, let's talk about how to do filter in MS Excel. For this, we need a file with demo details. For this, I am tapping on this plus icon and you have to choose spreadsheet. Now here we will take a blank document or blank sheet. Let me type some details here like serial number, tab, name, tab address, tab city, tab phone number, tab age, tab salary. So let's start to fill the series. For this, type a numeric value, tap it long, choose the option fill and drag it down. To finalize the series, tap on fill series. Take some names as example. Let's see, I have filled the details. I have filled some demo details. So first we need to format this sheet. For this I will select entire sheet. After that you have to tap on office button. At home tab you can see some basic option related to formatting. Like I want to change the alignments of data. For this I will choose alignment from here and I can choose border also. I want to make headings bold. For this I will select only headings. And again in home tab we can choose bold, italic, any option. Like I am choosing this one, that is bold. So now sheet is ready. We need to apply filter. For filter you have to tap anywhere in the list and then go to office button, then data and choose very first option, that is filter. So after applying filter we can see some drop down menus on headings. It means a filter has been applied. So let's start with your question. So our first question was, display all the records where city is Delhi and salary is less than 25,000 rupees. It means there are two conditions which we have to apply on filter. So let's apply these conditions. First we have to go city column and we have to choose drop down menu and choose New Delhi from here. After selecting New Delhi you have to tap on done. So now only two records are showing up. It means only two candidates are from New Delhi. But the second condition was salary must be less than from 25,000. So for this again I have to apply second filter. For this I will tap on customize and will choose less than 25,000. Just tap on OK and see. So our first question was completed. City is New Delhi and salary is less than 25,000. Let's see second question. It is display all the records where city is Delhi, Kolkata or Mumbai. For this, first we will remove previous filters. For this I will tap on this and will click on clear filter. Done. Clear filter from salary column also. Clear filter, done. So now the second question was, display all the records where city is Delhi, Mumbai or Kolkata. For this you have to tap on city column. Then tap on three cities, Kolkata, Mumbai or New Delhi. Just tap on done and now it has been finished. So those candidates are from New Delhi, Mumbai or Kolkata. So let's see what is our third question. The third question is, display all the records where age is less than 30 and city is Kolkata. So first apply this filter on age. Tap on age, then customize, tap on equal and choose less than 30. Tap on OK. Go to the city column and choose Kolkata. Then tap on done. So here we have finished our third question. It was display all the records from the table where age is less than 30 and city is Kolkata. Let's see another question. It is display all the records where age is between 30 and 40. Let's switch to the Excel and remove previous filters. Clear filter done and clear filter done. Now we have to select the details where age is less than 30 and 40. For this you have to apply filter on each column and tap on customize. Tap here. First we will give greater than 30. In the next column we will choose less than 40, or you can also choose greater than or equal, less than or equal. Tap on OK. So now the details are from who's between 30 and 40. Our last question was display all the records where name starts with letter N. For this, let's remove previous filters and tap on name, then customize, tap the drop down menu and select start with N. You may type different alphabets also like P, S, as per your requirement. To finish this step, just tap on OK and see there are only 2 records. Their name starts with letter N. Hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you.